Imagine you're working on a project and suddenly encounter a problem. In this case, the issue revolves around creating a Goldberg sphere from an icosphere using Godot 4, but certain triangles are mysteriously missing. You've tried various methods of adding vertices to the array, yet the problem persists. The plot thickens when you notice that the triangles created using the centers of the edges are the ones disappearing. It's a head-scratcher, indeed. Now, diving into the solution provided, we find a clever approach to tackle the pesky, missing triangles. The key lies in generating an icosahedron and then subdividing it effectively. By precisely defining the vertices and faces of the icosahedron, and leveraging smart functions like get_face_center and get_middle_point, the script efficiently handles the subdivision process. Through a series of iterations, the vertices and faces are manipulated to ensure a successful creation of the Goldberg sphere. The code elegantly brings order to the chaos. In a nutshell, the solution shines a light on the intricate process of generating a complex structure like the Goldberg sphere from simple geometries. With meticulous calculations and strategic subdivision techniques, the code transforms an icosahedron into a mesmerizing sphere. So, there you have a journey from a puzzling problem to a satisfying solution. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding!